Hi, I'm Rachel Holmes and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to give you 5 of the best exercises to work with dumbbells at home if you are perimenopausal, menopausal or post. Now if you're short of time and you want to focus on your upper body and you're training at home, I'm going to give you a selection of exercises for your shoulders, for your chest, for your upper back, your biceps and your triceps. Now choose a pair of dumbbells that when you get to the last few reps, maybe rep 6, 7 and 8, you're really feeling it. So, quite heavy and you can progress really quickly and easily. Now, why is strength training and weight training so crucial for all midlife women? Well, because as we go through perimenopause and the big sex hormones are starting to decline, we see a decline in muscle mass and also the metabolic rate if you are not strength training. So it's important to start to build strength training into your regular workout routine. Now that doesn't mean an hour in the gym. That could mean 15 or 20 minutes 3 times a week at home, as long as the load is progressive. So when you get to those last few reps, you want to be feeling it. These exercises are key, they're safe, they're suitable for all women, but do focus on your form and your technique. So let me discuss with you the benefits of regular strength training. So number 1, it's going to improve your muscle mass, which is key because it's declining. So let's reverse that and use strength training to help us increase our muscle mass. Number 2, it's going to help speed up your metabolic rate. The more muscle fibers you have in your body, the quicker your metabolic rate will be. It will speed it up and keep speeding it up for 24-48 hours. So important. It's going to help you with bone density. 1 in 2 women post-menopause struggle with some kind of osteoporosis or osteopenia. Strength training can really help combat that. And mental, it makes you feel brilliant. It makes you feel empowered, strong, positive. It helps you with your self-confidence. It can help with how your clothes fit your body, and it really does help your mental cognition. So let's go through the first exercise. This exercise is the shoulder press, and that's going to work all 3 heads of the shoulders. You'll take your weights, elbow in line with shoulder, and just bring the weight up in exactly the same position. So rather than bringing the weights together at the top, you'll just go up and down. Breath work, breathe in to commence, prepare the body, tense the shoulders, breathe out as you lift the weight and breathe in as you come down. You can take this slow and focused and really get the best of every single repetition. The second exercise that I'm going to teach you today is a chest fly. So you'll have your weights in front of your body, you're lying down and you're going to open, stretch the chest, keep a slight bend in the elbow and then bring the weights back together. So you're working your pectoral muscles. Now if you've got a step or a bench at home, then that just allows your elbows to go a little bit wider and get a bit more range. But don't worry if you haven't, you can do this fine on the floor. So exercise 3 is for the upper back, the posterior deltoids, the rhomboids and the trapezius, and it's a 1-arm row. We're going to lean forward, support your body weight with the opposite hand, have a stretch with the dumbbell and bring the elbow back towards your hip. Again, stretching your arm forward and bringing your elbow back. The tendency is to swing, but really concentrate on placing the weight and pushing the weight forward so you get that real good rowing feeling. Let's go for 3 sets of 8 on each side. Let's see how it looks. The next exercise, number 4, is your biceps. So again, we'll do single arm biceps, so 3 sets. So you'll do 1 set on the right, 1 set on the left, 1 set on the right, then the left. So you don't actually have to have a rest. but the bicep has a rest as you train the other side. So start with the weight facing your hip. Bring the bicep up, keeping the elbow in tight, rotate and then slowly rotate and come back down. So you get that very slow rotation, bring the weight up to your shoulder and then bring it back down. Try to prevent moving or twisting or bouncing your upper body. Really still and focus on that bicep as you come up. Okay, let's do it. And the final exercise in this series is for the tricep, the back of your arm. You might go for a slightly lighter weight. We'll lift your arm at the top. Use the arm that you're not working to just gently press in so you spot this arm, and then bring the weight down behind the back of your neck and then come back up to the top. So that works your tricep. Again, let's go for 3 sets of 8. Do 8 on one side, 8 on the other, and just keep swapping. So before you pick up your weights, make sure your body is thoroughly warmed up. So maybe do some shoulder circles, some rotations, running up down on the spot. Feel as if your heart rate has been elevated. Then pick up your weights and do your workout. Take your time, do it slowly, and really focus on the technique. Taking your arms up or taking them back, just really slowly so you get that full contraction of each muscle group. Try this simple workout 3 times a week for a month. Let me know how you get on, but remember, it's part of a holistic health fitness regime for you as a peri or a menopausal woman. So work on healthy nutrition, 3 healthy meals, look at your sleep. Are you drinking caffeine into the evening? Are you eating late at night? Maybe if you curb that, that will improve your sleep. Are you adequately hydrated? Increasing the amount of water that you're drinking through the day, and moving through the day as much as you can. So getting your steps in. If you've got a step counter, just making sure that you're hitting your 10,000 steps every day. It's the small little habits that you do on a daily basis that you do for the foreseeable future. Maybe exercising 15 or 20 minutes, getting your steps in, nutrition, your hydration and stress management, and that will really make a huge difference to your menopausal symptoms. It really, really will. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, switch on the bell, and make sure you check out all of my menopausal series for women.